Hi, my name is Amy Woodcock. I'm a first grade teacher in Fredonia, which is a 3A school in the southeast part of Kansas. I've been teaching first grade for about 8 years, and prior to that, I taught kindergarten and third grade. This past fall, I've started my journey on getting my master's in reading, and hopefully, my goal is to be a reading specialist someday. For about the past 10 years, I've been really fortunate in the different school districts that I've taught in to be able to blend technology in my classrooms. I've had the use of Chromebooks and iPads, and and then this year is my first year teaching in Fredonia, and we're growing with our technology. It's something that they continue to build on. And currently, I have MacBook Airs, and then about a 2-to-1 ratio for my first graders, which is I feel it's really good base. Um, in the past school district that I taught in, they had a week-long KVATE, which was a professional development free to us teachers, and it was just all technology based, and I learned a lot of different resources and apps that I could use with my students in the classroom. So I'm hoping, just continue to bring those resources that I've learned and to use with my students and my parents as well. Um, One of my biggest strengths is I love to try new things, and I'm not afraid to use technology. Along with that, though, I takes me a little bit of practice, so for me to get comfortable, and that's my weakness. I'm looking forward to everything there is uh, for this semester, and excited to what this class has to offer. So, just for me to gain more skills and everything that I can learn from all of you, and we can share ideas. Anyway, I'm looking forward to the next several weeks together. Bye bye.